check out our dish here. We've definitely already had some love bites. And we dripped some ghost pepper hot sauce onto this. The chicken breast was sliced open, let out to air for a little while, doused in olive oil on both sides. We sliced up some lemon and lime and tomato and shook plenty of pepper on there. Decided to crack a couple eggs before I threw it in the oven. Cooked it, a little bit overcooked, like 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. Because we do not want to undercook our chicken. However, the eggs were a little bit overcooked. The yolks are really solid, and there was a little bit of burnt egg in the pan. Actually, the eggs were hard to take out of the pan, but we're going to deal with it, and we're not mad about it, especially because it was cooked in olive oil. The shit's not exactly tarnished. And we have pea salad and some spinach. The pea salad is from a deli. The spinach was out of the can, soaked in vinegar and olive oil for about the last 24 hours. And this is bomb. I mean, the right down to the chicken and the chunks of tomato. I already was trying everything. I already took some love bites. So I already know it's all good. And we made sure to sprinkle the juices out of the pan onto the chicken. And again, for me, the ghost pepper hot sauce comes into play. Put a couple drips of ghost pepper onto every part of this. And I gotta say, I'm just not mad about any of it. Feels like it's gonna do the body good. Eat this all up, wash it down. Fucking mission accomplished.